G'day viewers, cheers. Just having a jack, just trying these big ice blocks, big square ice blocks. I don't know if you can see them, but they're pretty cool. Just got a thing from, just buying from Kmart, the rubber things you put in the freezer with the, obviously water in it. But yeah, cheers, hope everyone's well. As you can see, we've got the fire going. It's about 3:30 here in East Gippsland, Victoria, and yeah, going from a 23-degree day yesterday where I got on the Harley, went for a ride with a couple of mates, to around about 15-14 degrees. It's quite cool and been raining here today. So, but what I wanted to talk about today was beard maintenance, beard care. I've been getting into it a bit lately, and I just had a delivery today of some stock, so hence why I've got the cap. The brand is Jericho. Look, I went with him, and I've only gone with Josh, his name is. He's an ex-veteran, and the good thing about it is the money he gives back to the veterans. So I love that. So that's why I've stuck with them, and I'm just building up my my utensils, if you like to call them, for my beard care. I've got some at work in the Northern Territory as well when I go back and work at the mines. I've already got supply up there of like shampoo and oils and butters and that sort of thing. So, but I'll just go through a couple of things now that I've purchased off Jericho, and as it is 100% Australian owned and made in Queensland. So it's he's got a shop up there. I'm not sure, but he's on Facebook. He's on Instagram, got a website, so and when you do sign up, you'll get 10% off as well. So, and I'm certainly not sponsored by this mob, Jericho, so, or Josh. I did seek his permission today to talk about it, and he gave me the green light, all go. So yeah, he's as I say, ex-veteran. Giving back to the vets, and I just like that. There's a lot of beard care companies out there this day and age, so he's done a lot of development in getting the best oils and butters and shampoos and that sort of thing together that you can get on there and read his story. He's got heaps of tips too. Everyone's different, beard's different. So I find as mine's going greyer, it's getting, it seems to be a bit drier, and it needs the hydration. So got plenty of mates with beards and that. So yeah, I know they use products, but I'll steer them over into this one. So well, what I got today, apart from the cap, because I needed a cap as well. So I already had this brush. It's a boar hair, boar bristle brush, just a handheld one. So I already had a good quality timber, been good brush. I've got one up at Northern Territory as well. So, but today I got the one with the handle, same boar bristle brush, and got that with the handle, which I found a bit easier. Finding it a bit easier today, as I've used it only a couple of times once receiving it today. So I got that today, the handled brush. I got a pair of scissors, a good pair of scissors in a pouch here. So yeah, they're pretty good. Look, they're small. You don't need them right on your finger, but yeah, small holes sort of thing. But I've used them and they work. They work well. Cut good. So they're stainless too, so scissors in a pouch, so that's pretty good. Also today I got these two samplers, so the oils, which is good, get them like this. They're little sampler travel sort of bottles with the little squeezy thing up the top. You just 2 or 3 drops in the palm of your hand, and I put it in the beard and brush it through. So and I've been just watching and reading up on how to do it properly, sort of thing. As I say, I'm taking a bit more care into it. I've been washing and putting oil and that in my beard for a while, and the beard butter, but I'll get to that. But yeah, I tried. I like the one called coconut cream, which seemed to be all right, and you know, it's all natural products and that they put in there too, you know, so it's good for your skin too. Rub it down to the roots of the hairs and get on your skin, and it stops a bit of the beard drift. And he's got plenty of things to deal with that as well, so if you have those sort of problems. But today in these sample bottles I got what's this was Premium Leo, and this one is vanilla liqueur. He's got so many, it's not funny. So there's actually a big sample pack you can get off him with these little bottles. But these are unreal. These are good size to put in your little traveller bag if you're going away, camping, whatever. And then you've obviously got the option of the bigger bottles. So they're I think 25 mil, I think it was. And then these ones are 50 mil. So well, they might be 10 mil. Geez, my eyesight's not the best these days. But anyway, you can sort of see from there, look, even next to the glass, you can see that. And then, as I say, you've got the 50 ml bottle there, so that'll give you an indication there. Also bought the butter, which I've been using for a while as well, the beard butter. I'm about to buy, this is a 60 ml tub, so I'm about to buy the bigger one next. So that's good. I find that's good after you wash your beard on a night, and before you go to bed, put that in there, and that seems to keep it nice and hydrated. So then you've got the 2-in-1 shampoo, which is the shampoo and conditioner. So it's just a foam spray thing. So just put a bit in the palm of your hand and rub it in. And look, I can tell you, I haven't had any problems with beard drift since sort of using these products, and yeah, it's been good. So, and the other thing I just bought the other day was just this travel bag for it, so that they have as well. So you know, they use things like almond oil and, you know, organic hemp seed oil and coconut oil, organic castor oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, and yeah, it's made in Brisbane, Australia. So just yeah, get on his Facebook page or his Instagram page, or on Google and on his website, and you'll be able to see all the products he's got. This is only some of them, so you can get beard straighteners and yeah, all sorts of things. So yeah, look, as I say, there's plenty out there, but I found them, and their delivery, I must say, is really quick. It's really quick. I was just trying to think when I ordered this, so I'm pretty sure I ordered this on Monday and got it today. So you know, and they're good. They write little messages in the boxes and cards and all that, thanking you, and they're handwritten. They're personally handwritten and stuff with it, you know, texter or pen. But yeah, it's just those little things that know that your money's going to a good place too. As I say, I can't say it enough with him. Ex-veteran, and thanked him for that alone, and giving back to the vets too. So big sponsor of the Veteran Games, and he's just recently purchased a pretty cool 50s, I think, Chevy pickup truck, so which he's doing up for the business as well. So he's got so many things on the site. Go and have a look. I recommend him, and just try them out if you like. But as I say, the first order you normally get 10% off, and then if you supply your email, then they let you know when they've got specials and stuff like that. And that's when I bought a couple of things like this bag. I mean, the bag was only $20, and this is yeah, these are in the $20 something mark sort of thing. Brushes and combs and that sort of thing. $15 for the pair of scissors in the pouch, stainless scissors. Yeah, I think it was about 28 bucks, I think, for that. That's retail sort of thing there, but they all range for prices, and he's got so many different fragrances and scents there. It's to choose from. So yeah, other than that, haven't been doing a lot as I'd like to on this channel, because I've been doing fly in, fly out, 2 weeks out, 2 weeks back. So been pretty busy, and went out for a ride yesterday and took the panel van out for a spin. Picked up the daughter from school and went out to Painesville down there to have a pie and stuff like that. And yeah, it was good. Just good to use some of these toys. And tomorrow I'll get out on the Triumph and just good keeping up good mental health. So yeah, that's what it's all about. So yeah, I've just acquired a couple of leather sort of second-hand recliners there, which you can just see here. They're good. I got rid of that bloody pretty crappy sort of Bunnings outdoor couch. It wasn't real comfortable, so at least with these they are, and yeah, it's good. So other than that, I will post up some stuff hopefully again soon. I want to do one on the Triumph, and I want to do one on the HK, and I've still got the diff to do. I've been getting parts for the diff. Triumph's all good on the road, registered, going. The HK, I've been collecting parts to do the engine conversion for the 327 in that. So yeah, just getting all the parts together for that. So I'm going to go to enjoy this nice Jack Daniels. Hope everyone is well, and keep well, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video, and then get online and get on site, Facebook, Instagram, or their website, Jericho Australia beard care. Good. Keep that beard nice. Okay, cheers.